In this video, we are going to talk about how can you make more money on YouTube. So before starting, please like this video and subscribe to How to Make Money Top 10 Videos channel, and ring the bell for our future updates. Every day, 5 billion YouTube videos are seen by people all over the world. YouTube remains as popular as ever, with viewers spending an average of 40 minutes per session on the site, according to statistics. As a result of this digital transformation, the next thing you should understand is how to generate money on YouTube. All you need is video editing software and a computer to get started making videos for the YouTube platform. To give you an example, Ryan's Toy Review is a show where little Ryan makes a stunning $22 million by messing around with and dismantling toys. Not too shabby for tinkering with electronic devices. The ability to make money on YouTube is no longer restricted to a small number of platinum musicians or large influencers. People from all walks of life can make money on YouTube by uploading videos and promoting them. You must, however, take a more strategic strategy in your approach. Throughout this essay, we'll go over the various methods by which you might begin earning money on YouTube this year. Let's get this party started. Number 7. YouTube monetization. Use affiliate links on YouTube. The promotion of affiliate links can be a significant source of income for channels who provide in-depth training and thoughtful product reviews. For example, if you promote a product and a user clicks on your link to purchase it, you will begin to receive commissions on the sale. It is acceptable to include these links in the first few lines of your description and to refer to them in your video content. Posting affiliate links on YouTube has a lot in common with marketing affiliate links on your site, which is a good thing. As a result, you should avoid including affiliate links in your YouTube videos solely for the purpose of generating revenue. Keep in mind that readers will only click on these links if they think you to be a reputable source of information. To gain the trust of your audience and increase the number of subscribers, assist them in resolving specific problems and providing tutorials. As an added advantage, you may create movies that provide solutions to problems that you have already solved for yourself. There are a plethora of affiliate programs available for you to participate in. On a famous affiliate network such as Share Sale or Awin, you can sign up for a variety of different programs all in one spot. Creating a blog in conjunction with your YouTube channel and including affiliate links there is the most effective move you can take to maximize your revenue. The benefit of this is that you can monetize YouTube while simultaneously having a website on a platform that you own yourself. Number 6. Become a YouTube partner and earn from ads. Advertisements are the most important source of income for many YouTubers. When you become a YouTube partner, you can earn money in a variety of ways. You can earn money through advertisements that appear before your videos, channel memberships, and Google AdSense banner advertisements. Although there are some ground rules to follow before becoming a certified YouTube partner, there are also some qualifications that must be met in order to get started. Along with following YouTube's ad policies, you must have amassed a minimum of 4,000 video view hours on your channel in the previous 12 months and have 1,000 subscribers in order to be considered. There is no set timetable or format for completing these 4,000 hours of basic training. For a total of 4,000 hours, you can acquire 100 hours from each of 40 videos, or any combination thereof. If you see a green dollar next to your videos in your video manager, this signifies that you can now monetize your films using YouTube. Despite the fact that YouTube Premium removes advertisements for viewers in exchange for a monthly charge, YouTube continues to support artists by paying them a percentage of total viewing time. However, you may not always be able to rely solely on YouTube advertising to generate cash for your business. There are a variety of alternative methods by which you might increase your earning potential using YouTube. Number 5. Make money on YouTube with funding from your fans. If you've created a following of dedicated fans, asking them to crowdfund your channel can help you fund new videos while also increasing your profit margins. A platform such as Patreon makes the process of getting compensated for your content more smooth by streamlining the payment procedure. Your fans can subscribe to their favorite channels for as little as $1, and they may even be able to take home some special prizes from their favorite content providers. You can also benefit from a combination of recurring and one-time gifts with Tip, which is yet another service. Both for-profit and non-profit video channels are taking use of this fan funding from their respective audiences in order to keep their video operations going smoothly. Providing your content is engaging, amusing, or valuable, you would be shocked at how your audience will open the floodgates of giving in response to your efforts. Number 4. Master your YouTube SEO. If you are a video maker who has not yet established a substantial following, you must pick up your game and maximize your YouTube SEO efforts this year. To do this, conduct keyword research in the same manner as you would normally do, but think about it a little differently in light of what people are searching for on YouTube. Make sure you include high-value keywords in your video title, description, and video tags as well as in the body of your video. Once your YouTube channel is up and running, you can look at the traffic source, YouTube search report to get a sense of what people are searching for when they come to your hosted videos. YouTube delivers video results for a variety of keywords, including how-to, reviews, tutorials, and funny video terms, among others. In addition, there are 5 important YouTube SEO ranking elements to consider. Following the viewing of a video, the number of comments and subscribers increases. The ratio of thumbs up to thumbs down, the length of the video, and the percentage of people who click on the YouTube search results. Number 3. Make the most of your YouTube marketing funnel. Optimize your YouTube channel in order to increase revenue. Choose a specialty, sign up as a YouTube partner, and begin creating a marketing funnel for your business. Even while YouTube is an excellent tool for disseminating your message, you can earn more money by combining YouTube with a blog. That way, you'll be able to acquire more email addresses and eventually sell your fan base on your product offerings. Create a YouTube video and integrate it into a blog article, for example, if you write about an affiliate product you are endorsing. Then direct viewers from YouTube back to your blog and to the affiliate links, allowing you to make commissions while also growing your blog's audience of readers. Another excellent alternative is to integrate your YouTube channel with an e-commerce platform such as Shopify and use it to generate revenue. Here are some excellent YouTube merch stores from which to draw ideas. Number 2. Become an Amazon influencer. A growing number of people are taking advantage of Amazon's influencer program. This influencer program allows you to generate money by maximizing your YouTube, and social media in general, presence in order to earn money through Amazon referrals. Following your acceptance into the program, you will be able to evaluate and promote products, as well as lead your viewers to Amazon to make purchases using affiliate links. When your viewers click onto Amazon and make a purchase, you receive a portion of the commissions, normally 8 to 10%, as compensation. This program, on the other hand, is not available to everyone. The number of social media followers and other indicators determine the likelihood of approval. Number 1. Explore extra gains from YouTube Red subscribers. YouTube Red is a subscription service that charges consumers $9.99 per month for ad-free YouTube streaming. Even in the absence of advertisements, content creators can still create income and earn up to 55% of revenue based on the amount of time their work is seen. There have been conflicting reports on whether YouTube Red has increased or decreased CPM rates for advertisers. Because your watch time is important with YouTube Red, you should check your YouTube analytics to see statistics such as your watch time and video interaction. I hope you enjoyed our video. Please let us know in the comments area below. Thank you for being with us. Please like, subscribe and turn on the notification bell before leaving. Thank you for watching How to Make Money Top 10 Videos channel.